Hi guys, welcome to watch my weekend vlog. Hope you can enjoy this vlog. World Trade Center's Pop Mart, as always, there are a lot of people. It always will be. And they were all clubbing around, but there were no new products for Twinkle Twinkle series at all.
没有补货又能怎样？我们可以买旧货呀。
你脑子进水了？你咋知道的？
我不要隐藏啊！我不要隐藏。那是啥呀？收藏落日。其实这个。
Has it loosened? Is this broken?
应该拆就行。
The CNY is over, still so festive. There are still more than a dozen tables to line up for dinner, then we need to kill the time. Just come to the building full of animation IPs. We can see this one piece. The workmanship is quite delicate. There are many related products in it. There is another one here. I didn't know this was a tennis boy or a volley boy. And there is a Kirby of stars. It's all kind of little figures. The price is not very expensive. I just keep shooting. I dream of playing Switch all of a sudden. There are actually rice dumplings from Wufangzhai here. Before only ate in the service area of highway, and I'm hungry every time I eat. Then it will taste very good. The whole glutinous rice is also very delicious. I also bought a green sticky rice balls and this pork mooncake. Finally arrived at the restaurant Xuma for dinner.
许妈，许妈，我们爱你。
好姐妹是一生的知己，心有灵犀，快乐有默契。
多巴多。
Driving past Jiangyin Bridge. As soon as the bridge comes up, the field of vision directly filled. I always heard, if you shoot from a first perspective, you can picture the feeling of taking off. Okay, are you ready? We are taking off. In fact, I am in a very good mood today while driving and enjoying music. There aren't many cars on the road today, so it's not particularly tiring to drive. In fact, there will not be much sunshine. It should be noon, but there is no dazzling sun. After finishing today's issues, I will eat something delicious tonight. Go home and open the courier first. It has arrived at the Dandong strawberry I bought online. Okay, friends have turned their perspective to the river. The vision is actually very open. You can see a lot of boats floating. It's a pretty picture. Okay, finally dismantling it. Dandong strawberries that I missed during the day. The weight is just fine when you hold it in your hand. It doesn't feel big, just that you haven't opened it. I feel fine too much. When you remove this white mesh wrap, you will find, okay, is this a gym guy, this strawberry? Bro, have you exercised? You see it in the palm of the hand. It's really the size of a palm. I think it tastes not amazing later, not as sweet as imagined. See you in the next video.